The wind was calm. The pressure was 30.10 inches and falling. At Tuscaloosa, it was fair. The temperature was 76 degrees. Tornado emergency for Lowndes, Montgomery, Bullock, Autauga, Chilton, Elmore and Macon counties. The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for central Montgomery County in central Alabama, northwestern Bullock County in central Alabama, east central Autauga County in central Alabama, southeastern Chilton County in central Alabama, central Elmore County in central Alabama, east central Macon County in central Alabama, north central Lowndes County in central Alabama, until 10:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a large, extremely dangerous and deadly tornado. This is a tornado emergency for Montgomery, Bullock, Autauga, Chilton, Elmore and Macon counties. This is a potential mass casualty situation. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, storm spotter and meteorologists confirm tornado impact. You are in a life-threatening situation. Mobile homes will be completely destroyed. Homes will be ripped off their foundations. Trees will be uprooted. Cars will be flipped. Complete devastation is likely. Locations impacted include Greenville, Prattville, Autauga, Tuskegee and Montgomery. This is an extremely dangerous and deadly situation. If you cannot go underground, go to a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building now. Take cover now in a storm shelter or an interior room in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows,